Tools now display at new default positions when the tool or operation is selected or edited, making tool handling easier by reducing manual interaction. The tool is now displayed at the start point of the toolpath when an operation is selected or edited. This new feature applies to both turning and milling operations. The tool is also displayed at the start point of the toolpath when the tool is edited. When no toolpath is available, the tool is displayed at 10% away from the blank. Selecting an operation without a toolpath does not display the tool.
Cards. Driven by digitalization.